Hello, I'm Brian Colley, Finance and Operations Director of Glyn Wylfa. We operate as a café and a business centre for commercial tenants, business tenants, and we also include in that tenancy the local police station. We've had a tremendous impact over the years. We support all local charities, local groups, organisations, as we've grown, to grow our influence within the community. And outside the community, we go as far as Wrexham now and supporting mental health charity.
We have over 75,000 visitors a year to the café. It's a tourist hub and a community hub, and we have a lot of interest groups here.
We're extremely pleased and proud to be nominated for an award. Yes, it will be a tremendous benefit to employees and all our stakeholders and tenants.